What's up, guys? This is the 5-Count Co-op. I am Ton.
And I'm Hoyt Axton.
And this is Mohawk and Headphone Jack.
It is?
Yeah.
Why?
Don't know. We're going to find out real quick. Like, I did say 2-player. I don't know where you are, but there's a lot of CDs. What?
This game is making me nauseous.
Whoa. I jumped into a black hole instantly.
I don't like this game.
What is happening, dude?
I can already tell it's making me seasick.
There's more stuff up there. How do I? Oh no.
Oh, now you did it.
Back into the black hole. I have no idea what I was supposed to do right there. This game seems awesome. If I was like 16 and really high, I'd probably love to play this.
What?
Except for the part where you puke a lot.
Where are you now and how old are you?
Is this an absolute nightmare to watch?
Yeah, it's hard. It's making me sick.
What is happening?
Now you're made out of wheels. Now you're
what
dead.
the heck was that?
I think you just...
What is this?
I think you passed it and turned into Wheelie Man.
But I can also do this, like Sonic.
Oh, jeez.
Now I'm dead. Now it's your turn, probably. Yeah! You got a pink mohawk. Yeah, that's a thing.
Self-destruct button?
I guess, but I don't know what that does. Oh, there's the wheelie. That is, you're right. I don't think we know how to play this game. Oh, nice. What?
What the hell's going on?
I don't know. This is near impossible to watch.
This is literally making me ill.
Dude.
Where's the button where you blow up? Yeah.
I'm just gonna apologize to anyone out there watching this right now. I think you have to be on some kind of substance just to take this in. This is making me sick to my stomach, really. To watch it, it's terrible.
And then listening to me doesn't help either. Is this the whole game now? I have to gingerly jump back up one platform
I really don't think I
time?
can watch it anymore. I really am starting to feel queasy.
Wait, let's both just play it with our eyes closed.
My eyes are closed. Are your eyes closed?
Yeah, does it sound like I'm winning?
I think so, maybe. No, it's you're doing something. I don't like it.
Did I win?
Yeah, I'm gonna say yes to you right now. I don't like it at all. No, you died. Great. So this was great. Now it's my turn.
It's still happening. You have to get that giant CD if you want to change the music.
I hate that. Dust. I cannot. Oh, wow.
I'm just going to face this way for a little bit.
Yeah, I don't blame you, dude, because unless you're in control, I don't think there's a way to watch this. We should just...
Do you think the people at home feel that way too?
I think...
How do people watch this?
I mean, yes. I'm done with this game. I can't watch it again. I was really feeling queasy watching you. This is terrible. This game is not okay. I apologize and thank you so much for watching.
We done?
I don't want to play this. I don't want to watch you anymore. This is horrible. The weird, like, what is this called even? It's not really 3D, right? It's like a weird...
Some kind of weird seasick mode. Oh, God.
It really is.
I think I'm going to puke.
I seriously feel sick to my stomach, honestly. It's not... It's different when you're playing it, but when you're just watching it, it's terrible. I mean...
But it's also terrible when you're playing it, because it isn't any fun.
Let us know in the comments down below if you've puked yet, or how close you are to it. Be sure to like and... Be sure to give this thing a thumbs down, because it's horrible.
How do we even get to the end?
I don't know.
Oh,
We just keep dying. I'm done. I'll catch you on the next one, though. Thank you so much.